Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Discovering Success, Uncover Your Purpose, Passion and Path. Lecture 3. Uncovering Your Life Purpose. Defining the concept of life purpose and techniques for uncovering and clarifying your life purpose. Exploring personal passions, interests, and strengths. Identifying core values and how they align with your purpose, and creating a purpose statement to guide your journey. Conclusion. Defining the concept of life purpose. Life purpose is a concept that has intrigued humans for centuries. It's the idea that each of us has a unique reason for being and a specific role to play in the world. Defining your life purpose can be a challenging but rewarding process. It requires deep self-reflection, exploration of personal passions and interests, and alignment with core values. Techniques for uncovering and clarifying your life purpose. Uncovering your life purpose can be a daunting task, but there are various techniques that can help you on your journey. One technique is journaling. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you can gain clarity and insight into what truly matters to you. Another technique is meditation. By quieting your mind and focusing on your breath, you can tap into your inner wisdom and intuition. Self-reflection is also a powerful tool for uncovering your life purpose. By asking yourself deep questions about your values, passions, and strengths, you can gain a deeper understanding of who you are and what you want to achieve in life. I encourage you to try these techniques for yourself and see what insights you gain. Remember, uncovering your life purpose is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Exploring personal passions, interests, and strengths. Exploring personal passions, interests, and strengths is a crucial step in discovering one's life purpose. By identifying what truly excites and motivates us, we can begin to align our actions and goals with our innermost desires. This process requires self-reflection and honesty, as well as a willingness to try new things and step outside of our comfort zones. One way to explore personal passions and interests is to think back to childhood hobbies or activities that brought joy and fulfillment. Another technique is to pay attention to what makes us lose track of time or feel completely absorbed in the moment. Strengths can also provide clues to our life purpose, as they often point to areas where we have natural talent and potential for growth. By combining these elements, we can create a roadmap for pursuing a fulfilling and meaningful life. Identifying core values and how they align with your purpose. Identifying your core values is an important step in discovering your life purpose. Your values are the principles and beliefs that guide your decisions and actions, and they can provide a sense of direction and meaning in your life. Some common values include honesty, integrity, compassion, creativity, and perseverance. To identify your own values, take some time to reflect on what is most important to you. Consider what motivates you, what brings you joy, and what you are passionate about. You can also think about times when you have felt fulfilled and satisfied, and what values were present in those moments. Creating a purpose statement to guide your journey. Crafting a purpose statement is an important step in identifying and clarifying your life purpose. It should reflect your passions, interests, strengths, and values, and serve as a guiding force in your journey. To create your purpose statement, start by reflecting on what brings you joy and fulfillment. Consider your personal values and how they align with your goals. Think about the unique strengths and talents that you possess and how they can be utilized in pursuit of your purpose. Once you have a clear understanding of these elements, craft a statement that encompasses them all and inspires you to take action towards your purpose. Conclusion. In summary, uncovering your life purpose requires a combination of self-reflection, exploration of personal passions and strengths, identification of core values, and the creation of a purpose statement that aligns with these factors. Remember that discovering your life purpose is a journey, not a destination. It may take time and effort, but the rewards are immeasurable. By living a life aligned with your purpose, you can experience greater fulfillment, happiness, and a sense of meaning in everything you do.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.